Friends, this is a video I'm actually really looking forward to. I've been doing affiliate marketing for years. In fact, over the last 10 years, I've made thousands of dollars off affiliate marketing. And if you've ever been interested in learning affiliate marketing or just looking for a new way, this video is for you. If you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you my 3-part system to attract new visitors, convert them, and actually get paid by your affiliates. Today, I'm going to break down and show my screen here on my last 6-month experiment that I'm going to share with you today. How we're running Google and YouTube to get people to a landing page, to get them to opt into our email, retarget, and actually get paid over the next 6 months. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 3,000 brands. In my videos, I share my screen and I break it all down here. Now, if you want this exact spreadsheet I'm showing you, comment system down below and I'll send you my affiliate system so you can actually copy and paste this and see how it works. Okay, so let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So this is exactly what we're going to be showing today is month 1 through 6. And what we can look at is how much money I was making with this new experiment, exactly the affiliates that we're breaking down and how much we're making now. So quickly, month 1, I was in the hole. I spent $1,000 on Google and YouTube ads and made $0. Now, a lot of these affiliates are SaaS software promotions. So affiliate CRMs, email marketing, ad tracking, social auto posting, nonprofit donation software, website builder, freelancer site. But these are all things that I actively use, so it's easier for me to talk about and share. So what you want to do first is find affiliates that you actively use, something that you would use that's easy for you to recommend. Second thing, you want to look at that commission. Is the commission going to be high enough or profitable enough to get your money back over the next 6 months? And then lastly, is it going to provide you recurring? So if you're going to spend money on ads each month, you want to make sure the recurring return is going to help you become profitable. Now, if you take a look at month 1, I was in the hole. Month 2, I was still in the hole, about $1,600. Month 3, I was in the hole, about $180. And then month 4 is when I actually started becoming profitable. So it's still not profitable for the whole campaign, but profitable for that month. Now, what's nice is you can actively see how many people are signing up for each one of these. So it's encouraging to keep going because you know once they upgrade after the 14 or 30-day trial that they'll actually go and upgrade and you'll get paid back. Now, by month 5, I was actively profitable, and you can see that month 6, I made $15,000 profit last month. Now, what I'm going to do is actually start spending more money on this now that I'm profitable so I can continue to scale. You can see that in the graphs here. Now, I'm going to show you the 3 things I did that you can also do as well. So step number 1 is you need to create a high converting landing page. This page is to get you clicks on your site and also to allow you to run ads, to also get email opt-ins. Now, when somebody comes to a landing page for the first time, they usually are not ready to buy whatever affiliate link. So what you want to do is create a landing page that gets them to opt in, give you their name and email, so then you can get them on the email list and continue to follow up. Another thing it does is this page helps you run ads to get low quality clicks. So if I'm going to run ads for Go High Level, I need to make sure that Go High Level is in the title. And if anyone's looking for a CRM, it's in the title. And if anyone's looking for any of these marketing tactics, it's in the title. This is going to allow me to run ads. The next thing you need to do is make sure that this affiliate that you run does not ban you from running ads. So when I look at an affiliate, I need to look and see if they have a Google trademark or not. It's really easy to go look for. You can just Google it and you can ask if this brand has a Google trademark. You can also go and ask ChatGPT and it'll do the research for you. If they have a Google ad trademark, you can't run Google ads against them or for those keywords. So you're going to want to avoid that. So if they don't, you can go ahead and start running ads. From there, what we want to do is get them to your landing page. And what we do is 2 cool things here is 1, we optimize the landing page for the keywords that we're going to run Google ads and YouTube ads for. But we also create a YouTube video to trigger the pixel. So this video is for anyone that's going to sign up for this CRM. And what I'm saying is, hey, before you sign up, watch this video and I'm going to break it down. Your page. Before you sign up, I'm going to give you a checklist. Here's a free checklist you can get. Because what you don't want is you don't want to try to get affiliate clicks from people that have already signed up because they already have an account. So you need to position your landing page around somebody that hasn't signed up yet, that's looking for a sneak peek, looking for a trial, looking for a preview. That's super important here because you're not going to get the affiliate money if you do it too late. So that's key. Then use a high converting landing page. This is our highest converting landing page right here that we actually build out for clients. So if you want a landing page that looks just like this, check out the link in the description down below, and you can get yourself a custom copy of this landing page to duplicate for your brand. What it's going to do is really focus on the title, focus on social proof, get a nice form, name and email to get them on the email list, break down exactly what they're going to get, and all the way down to the bottom, last but not least, reviews and the form once again. So once they're here, this is where the magic happens. Now they can do two things. They can hit the site, fill out the form, get on your email list, which I'm going to show next. Or if they leave and don't come back, it's actually going to pixel them so we can go run those retargeting ads. So if we look at my spreadsheet here, we run Meta and YouTube retargeting ads. So then they are reminded to come back and purchase from you. Once they unlock the checklist, this is where it really works really cool. So what you want to do is say, go check your email. This is going to be a welcome email. Now we're going to hit their inbox and we can remind them with your affiliate link to come back and sign, because not everyone's going to be ready to sign up today. Second, if they watch this YouTube video, now your other YouTube videos and even this video is going to be a recommended video next time they log into YouTube. So you can see my YouTube video that I filmed here is then going to be recommended once they watch the video. This is going to remind them to come back. And then you can see right at the top, I post my affiliate link at the top. So, okay, I watched the video, because a lot of times they're not going to be ready and have time to watch the video on your landing page. So they might click through it on your email and then they'll see it on YouTube. And then when they are ready, they'll see that link right at the top. Then I give them a preview of what to expect in the checklist. And then I want to allow them to reach out personally if they want us to personally set it up. Now that's the best. If you have an agency or any type of service that helps them, you can offer an upsell. We charge $5,000 to set up somebody's Go High Level for them. So I can make not only my affiliate money, I can sign them up with my affiliate, and then we can charge to actually do it for them, because everyone's going to want to do it on their own. You want to think about this for your business. Okay, the next thing we do is the system. So we go into our system and we create a custom workflow for people. And you can see using a CRM like Go High Level, we can basically use AI to build this out, because after they fill out the form, we need to remind them. So once they fill out the form, we're going to add them to an opt-in. We're going to add them to the list, and then we're going to send them the welcome email. The goal here is to get them to respond. So you can say, hey, just making sure you got this. Here's the checklist. Here's the video again. And then here's my affiliate link. That's super key. Then you want to follow, send them another email as another reminder. Here's the checklist. Here's the link. And here's my affiliate link. Because remember, they're not all going to sign up for your affiliate right away. Now, a lot of times people will sign up for your affiliate link, but they'll churn, they'll go and cancel. So what we do is we want to make sure that they find use out of whatever you recommended. With AI, it's easier than ever to go to ChatGPT, use AI and Go High Level, and actually build out a full email series to build that relationship, educate, and make sure they actually use it. Because now what we're saying is, here's more resources. Here's more things that can actually help you. So you actually go use this. Because what you don't want is when you go back and look at this spreadsheet, you don't want to go and look at month 4 and see that everyone from month 1 is canceled. Then go to month 5 and see from everyone from month 2 is canceled, because now you're just going to be wasting that ad money and all of that marketing. So the goal is to keep them to stay using the software. So what we do is we offer to continue helping them. So in these automated emails, we keep giving education. We keep giving them tips. We give them access to respond back and ask if we need any help. We'll even log in and help them. We'll add a snapshot to them. So that's where I want to encourage you. Whatever affiliate you decide to use, make sure that you are able to help them further. Make sure you actually like using it. Make sure you can give them the knowledge and the coaching to where you keep emailing and building that relationship. All right, last but not least, you need to run ads. So what I like to do is have the landing page, and then I want to make sure that I have my email system and follow-up system. And then what I want to do is run Google ads to this specific campaign. So in Google ads, I want to just push website traffic here. That's going to get me the lowest cost per click. The goal is to just flood this page with super high relevant traffic. Anyone that's interested in a CRM, email marketing, SMS, or specifically the brand name, I can start running ads to in Google ads. This way I know it's somebody high intent. Now I don't want to market to somebody that is already signed up like we mentioned before. I want somebody that's looking for a new CRM, and then I can get them by building a relationship to actually go there. So we're going to do website traffic. We're going to hit continue. And what I like to do is set up one campaign for search and one campaign for PMAX and see which one converts the best. If you want to really push money and send traffic to these pages, I recommend running them both in parallel and focusing on getting the lowest cost per click. Today's example, we're just going to use PMax. And what we want to do is make sure with our landing page that is focused highly on proper SEO, proper H1 titles, images, and make sure everything's set up to be fully optimized. We're going to copy that URL, paste it in here. Now, I even like making the URL the search term that they're searching for. So that way it's going to help you really stay relevant when somebody looks at that. So I'm just going to call this the GHL. And remember, this is basic and custom for you and your brand and whatever you decide to use for your affiliate. Okay, now once the page loads, you're going to talk about the bidding here, conversions or conversion value. We're just going to set it and keep it at conversions. We can go set this target later on if that's optional, but we don't really know how much it's going to cost us yet. So I'm going to keep this off. We can always come back and edit that later on. Only bid for new customers. You don't need to do that yet. Now, once you start setting up multiple and you start being advanced in Google, you can then set that up. Now from there, you want to think about the countries people are actually going to use this. Now I know if somebody signs up for Go High Level in another country, usually they churn, they cancel pretty quickly. So I want to make sure I just focus on the countries of business owners I think are going to stay on this software the longest and actively use it, read my emails. I'm only English speaking. That's how my emails are going to come across. So I'm going to keep it at that. And no, it doesn't have anything to do with European ads at all. Now I can set this however I want. I'm just going to keep it exactly how it is. But what I don't want is TV screens. I don't need to be on that. And I know my customers are going to be using these 3 other ones. Now from there, you can set up your asset group. I'm just going to call this Go High Level 1. And you've got my final URL in there. And then the business name you want to make sure is in there. This is all based on your ad account and your brand. We run all of our affiliates through our nonprofit software here. So we want to make sure everything is set up. Now from there, it's going to auto scan the website and pull as much data as it possibly can here. So you can see that you can upload your logo. You can make sure the custom colors are in there, the fonts, and you can even add any text guidelines as well. Usually this will try to autofill automatically for you. It'll also allow AI to help fill this for you as well once it gives you the scan. Now I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to go fill this out. Sometimes it'll just pull directly from your website. So what I like to do is go to ChatGPT, say, hey, what are the best SEO headlines, descriptions, and links for Google Ads to optimize an ad? So what we can do is go look at this. It's going to give us the landing pages, the thank you page. It's going to look at everything that we've already chatted about. And now what it's going to say is these are going to be the headlines that we can copy and paste that we can put in right here. So I'm going to add a couple in here. You're just going to copy and paste them over, and then you're going to be able to see what that actually looks like in the search. So if somebody's looking for Go High Level CRM preview, they're going to see this as the ad. The next thing you can do is long headlines. So we're going to want to make sure that we go ahead and just take a snapshot of this, and we say, hey, we want to make sure we have this, and it needs to be 80 characters in length. And then you can go ahead and go back to ChatGPT, and you can just start copying and pasting these over and just making sure that it's in proper length. Now this is going to be the preview that shows down at the bottom to help you continue to optimize this. There you can then do the longer headlines, and you can go ahead and use AI to help you fill this out as needed. Additionally, you want to make sure that you have good images in here if you're running the PMax ad. So what you can do is you can go to your website, you can paste that link in, it'll pull all the images for you, so you can start clicking on those. You can also upload any images, use free stock, or use anything from Spreadsheet. And then from there, I think the most important part out of all of this is highly recommend creating a YouTube video where you show an example. So this is why this campaign's been so beneficial. I create a YouTube video breaking down the affiliate that I'm speaking about, and then I take that video and we run the retargeting ads for it, but we also run it as a video as a Google ad in the PMax campaign. So now you can see my YouTube video is going to pop up with whether somebody's on Google or YouTube here, so they can see exactly what that's going to look like. And they'll be able to see the free preview of what to expect before they actually sign up. And then from there, if you've created any blog posts around this topic and affiliate, I highly recommend it. So when you go to your blogs, you can go create multiple blogs to give even more education around this affiliate. And then what we would do is we create them as site links and put them in here as additional site links that they can click on. From there, you can go see what your ad's going to look like. So you can see create your account. You can see what it looks on Google search, on YouTube, and Discover. And then what you can do is you can start creating ads and generating ads from there. And then from there, you want to actually put in the search term. This is, I think, one of the most important things that we want to create not only the YouTube video around, your landing page around, but also what people find you on for the Google ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy this, and we're going to go and ask ChatGPT based on that prompt to give us these so we can just copy and paste those in. Okay, once it's done, we're going to go ahead and copy that. We're going to head over here and we're going to paste that in. Now you can see that these are 32, 50 search terms somebody might be searching for. So you can see go high level alternative, go high level setup, go high level automation. You would just want to make sure you go all through this. You can see go high level review and go high level tutorial would be the best ones here, especially the go high level demo. You can even go and add all 50 there, but the goal is to show up when your ideal customer is searching for this, whatever affiliate you're promoting. And then once you're done, you're going to hit next. And the goal is to really try to get this to around 99, 98 to 100%. And that's going to get your costs down as low as possible. I want to spend a lot of time focus on adding proper images, proper videos, titles, and descriptions. Now, a bonus tip, if you really want to take action and get the best out of this, is go and create some YouTube shorts to add in here as well. That way you can have the vertical videos to optimize the campaign. Okay, just to review all over again, we set up Google and YouTube ads. The YouTube video should be focused around showing that person the sneak peek before they sign up for your affiliate offer. You want to run specific Google and YouTube ads to show up when somebody searches to start with that affiliate offer, not if they're already a customer. We want to make sure we use a high converting landing page to convert those leads into leads and also get them on the retargeting list. And then we want to make sure that they get on the email list so we can continue sending them a series of emails and retargeting them from there. And then last but not least is we want to set up Meta and YouTube retargeting for anyone that landed on that page. Now you want to make sure on Facebook and also YouTube that your events and pixels are set up properly. So anyone that lands on that landing page for that offer, you can set up ads just like this. I've got other videos on my channel that you can go explore to find out exactly how to do that. And or just like I've mentioned in my affiliate promotion, I have a freelance site down below. We just use Fiverr. If you want to use my affiliate link, I'll recommend our best freelancer to help you set up the proper pixels and tracking so you do it right. So what we want is anyone that hits the landing page and they see this go high level offer and they leave, whether they leave or they sign up for the email offer, we want them to start seeing retargeting ads on Meta and YouTube, where you can go back to YouTube in that PMax and set up some YouTube ads, but you also want to show a relevant image and copy around that affiliate offer to remind them to come back and sign up. Now we do need to make sure that the link goes to your link. So when you create these landing pages, it can either be a hidden internal link on your website, or you can set it up as a subdomain, but it does need to be that domain associated with your ad account. It can't be your affiliate's domain. You want to make sure you set those properly, and you want to make sure you send them back to the landing page to get them on the email list. So it's okay that if they visit this page, you can remind them to come back because now it's something that they remember and that they are reminded of, so they have no problem signing up again, even if they already did. All right, so just as a reminder, if you want this exact spreadsheet, just comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send this spreadsheet over so you can see exactly what we're doing and how we're doing it. And I hope you copy and use this for your business. Now, if you're interested in this affiliate investment opportunity, please let me know because we're able to actually plug and play this for other people looking to optimize with affiliates. I highly recommend finding multiple affiliates that you can promote, just like we have multiple ones here, that you actually use and believe in, have their recurring revenue so it continues paying out. This video brought you a ton of value. If it did, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to continue learning about marketing and automation, you can check out this playlist here. Make sure to comment system, grab all the links below so you can start using this for your brand. I want to hear more about you and what type of business you have. Comment your business name down below so I can check it out and learn more about you. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you